Well, in the previous video, we have introduced isotropic etching, and today we'll talk about isotropic deposition and also other um, implementation. So why don't you just to go to our example? The size is the same and epi structure is the same. After that, we make just the isotropic etching. So spacer is etched away. Mm, uh, I guess that yes. So this is corresponding to the isotropic etching, and also we deposit the spacer with the same thickness. So this intermediate result is saved as depo.cgns file. After that, we just eliminate this spacer using anisotropic etching. So with mask, I guess that this is mask is empty, means that there is no mask actually. So everyone is just etched away. However, here we introduce selectivity. Only spacer is etched away, so we will have a very clean structure. So now just to make the code and run AngstromCraft. So it will take some time, and now it just says how many cubes are there. So in this case, bedrock.cgns, we have so many cubes for bedrock. So this is just a given number, and level set, it is just a surface. So only there exists a substrate. After that, we have a sacrificial, also channel capping layer. So now we are around here. Therefore, the CGNS is already done, and finally, spacer is etched away. So since the thickness is 105, it will take some time, but actually there is almost no spacer remaining at the end of this depot. So although we try to etch this system with a total thickness of 105, but remaining pattern will be quite simple. And now it's done. So although the final structure is spacer.cgns, first of all, let's just have a look at the result of isotropic deposition. So view, yes. Now, yes, so just delete these two unnecessary one, and now show the color. So you can see that there is a certain cyan region that is corresponding to the spacer material. So since the thickness was set as 4, previously we made the etching with a thickness of 4, so that part is completely recovered by this operation. After that, of course, we will try to etch the spacer from the top, so that will be eliminated, and this part, all of these parts will be eliminated. However, substrate will survive, and also here we have a spacer underneath capping layer or channel layer, and that will be remained. Okay, so this is the result of our deposition. So then let me just import the final structure spacer.cgns. In this case, you see it? Yes. Now, why don't you just move camera? Okay. So now can say that okay, they are linked, and let me just okay. So now you can see the difference. So we start from, for example, this structure, and from the top we made etching, anisotropic etching. So this one is gone. However, only spacer was selected. So here, as a model, we select only spacer. So only spacer is eliminated. So that's the reason why finally we have this shape. Well, I think that now the basic capability to perform all kinds of geometric operation is more or less ready. So I will just rapidly go to the final structure. So maybe in the next video, then I can show you the final structure of my example. Okay, so when I'm ready, I will come back to you. Thank you.